Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Another update on Bitcoin. Today we talk Bitcoin. We're gonna show you support and resistances we're watching. Okay, things you need to pay attention, things you need to avoid, some mindset updates for YouTube. Guys, do me a favor, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, follow the channel, and click on the bell. This is the only channel that will stay here for the bear market because we are one of the only ones that can actually profit in the bear. Why? Because we go with the trend. Trend is down, we short it. Trend is up, we long it. It's simple as that. Okay, let's dive into the video. First of all, we want to look on the X clowns. This is very important. This channel will keep you level-headed. Okay, you want to unsubscribe from all the X accounts that are very bullish now. Okay, they're gonna make you buy the dip, but the dip is just gonna keep on dipping. You can see they are trying to predict the bottom for so long, like already for the last 2-3 weeks when Bitcoin is going down. Oh, I will show you what they've been saying. You know, I will show you. Look, they're saying, oh, it's the bottom, it's the bottom, it's the bottom, it's the bottom. No, it's not. It made a head and shoulders, bam, lost support. Oh, it's the bottom, man. It's gotta be the bottom. Bam, made a fake retest, bam, collapsed. Oh, this is the bottom. We got a bottom here. It's 94. It's never gonna drop below 94. Boom, it went lower. Oh, no, this is the bottom. It's 90K. You gotta bounce here. Billionaires are buying. Grant Cardone is buying. You know, all these smart people, Kiyosaki is buying. So why not? You know what? It's gotta bounce. No, it's not. It's keep on dipping. What's happening? What is happening? Man, Bitcoin is breaking bearish, okay? It's moving into bear market. That's bearish, okay? What you see right now, it's an impulsive move down, okay? That's the characteristic of a bear market. The trend has shift, sir. It has shift. Wake up, okay? Now you want to be very careful from the information you are soaking on a daily basis, okay? I'll show you some example, okay? This is my X, okay? Show you my X. Look, this clown is insane. The Merlin, the trader. He's saying 2025 is mirroring 2020. All these clowns, you know, they only see bulls. They are perma bulls. They are insane. They are absolutely insane. This clown is saying Bitcoin 2025 is mirroring 2020. I will tell you exactly why it's not the same. Okay, 2020, I was trading it. This clown, the Merlin, the moron, probably didn't even trade it. But anyway, on 2020, man, in 2020, we started the bull market. The bull market started here on, you know, April, March 2019 on the breakout of Bitcoin, okay, from the accumulation right here, okay? That was 2019. You broke out. That was a correction. That was the COVID crash. But still, the COVID crash, time-wise, was in the beginning, early days of the bull, man. The bull, this was the early days of the bull. Now, you're not in the early days of the bull, sir. If you've been watching my channel, we told you. Bitcoin is like a clock. It's already completed 1,064 days of its bull cycle. Just like in 2021 cycle, just like in 2017 cycle. 1,064 days on the clock. Book, and it popped. Exactly on the same day, sir. This is not a coincidence. This is just one indicator. We show you plenty of indicators predicting the market top for Bitcoin. Okay? But very important, sir. Don't follow these clowns. These are, I don't know if they're real people, man. They're probably bots or AI creatures, you know, that are posting like bullish, only bullish content just to get you wrecked. That's their job, man. Their job is to get you wrecked. I try to understand why they're doing that. Man, their job is to get you wrecked. I don't know. They work with the government. They work with the, you know, with the CIA. I don't know, man. They want to get you wrecked. You know? And this is an insane clown. Insane. Absolutely insane. If he's a serious person, you know, he's calling now for disbelief 10x rally. What the heck are you talking about? What 10? Man, you're gonna get 10x rally to the downside. Okay? Look. Let's go over on the Twitter. Okay, look at this guy. Okay. This guy, BlackRock is selling, man. BlackRock is selling. Obviously, BlackRock is selling. What's this guy saying? Blah, blah, blah. This guy is another clown. He thinks he's a genius. He's buying the dip. Remember, the dip will get deeper, man. It's a bear market, okay? All these people that telling you to buy the dip, okay? They're already way underwater. They're way underwater. They are hodlers, okay? They've been buying the dip here, 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 and here, and here. Now they are in serious loss. Now, if they're buying altcoins, they're even in a big mess. Their portfolio is down 50% minimum, 50, maybe 80, maybe 99%. You know, if they're holding altcoins from 2024, 2023. All right, so you don't want to listen to the deep buyers, man. Deep buyers are cooked now. You want to follow now, sir? Take my advice. Follow short sellers. Remember, in a bull market, you follow bullish people because it's the trend. The trend is bullish. Trend is bullish. You follow bullish people. You can take what they say, you can ignore, but you want to follow bullish people, bullish opinions. Okay. Now you don't want to follow bullish opinions. You want to follow bearish opinions. Okay, because the trend is bearish. Bears in control. Listen to the bears. I am a bear. You want to follow my channel, man. I'm a bear. I told you I'm a bear already at the top. Okay. Bitcoin confirmed the top. Okay. The top is in, man. The top is in. Now, let's talk about support and resistances we're watching. Okay. Let's see if we see any other clown here. By the way, do us a favor. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the Twitter. This guy as well. The Wolf of Wall Street. He's telling people to buy the dip all the time. This guy, the Wolf of Wall Street. Rubbish clown. Another clown, man. Don't know what he's talking about. Probably his first cycle. Absolute joke, okay? Absolute joke. All right. Now, look. And also, all these people calling for rate cuts. If you follow this channel, we told you rate cuts are bearish. Sir, rate cuts are bearish. Look what happened. For Bitcoin. Maybe for the markets, they are cool. For the S&P, maybe they're cool. But for Bitcoin, they're bearish. You can see what happened on the last two rate cuts, okay? That was the first rate cut right here, and that was the other rate cut right here. Dump and mega dump, okay? The next rate cut, expect another dump, okay? Or even if you're gonna get a bounce, you're gonna get a sell-off. Remember, this is a downward trend, okay? This is a downward trend, and it's on, okay? It's on. I'll show you some support and resistance I'm watching, okay? Now look, by the way, show you everything. Make sure to get yourself Bitunix account, sir, really. This is important, okay? Get yourself Bitunix account. Watch the video on my tutorial on how to short. This is the best time to short crypto. Cryptos are getting cooked. We have head and shoulders breakdown. We have amazing trade alerts. We have you have amazing trade setups in this market. You have bear flags. Man, unbelievable. It's much better than the bull market. It's aggressive moves down. Why not to make money? Why not to print ROI on this, man? Get yourself Bitunix. No VPN, no KYC. You can trade from the US, Canada, Australia. Link below. Use the link below. You get even an amazing bonus. You can win 8,000 USDT bonus. You have a 700 USDT bonus on a first deposit, on a deposit of 10K. Man, that's like life-changing stuff, man. Really, it's the best exchange to trade. Check it out. Okay, now look. Bitcoin, okay, first major level, okay, is this baby, okay, right here. Obviously, the April low, we're talking about around 75K, okay, around 75K. That's a major level. If it loses that level, and it can happen, the way it's tanking now, it can happen. We have a risk now of a stock market crash. I will show you. That's opened the gate for a continuation of the sell-off, okay? Remember, Bitcoin is the ragdoll of the S&P and then the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq go down, Bitcoin is smoked, okay? Now look, this is the first level, all right? Second level, I'll show you the fibs, okay? This is based on support and resistances, okay, on the chart. This is very strong support, okay? Now you can take the fib levels, draw it from top to bottom, bottom to top. Okay, you have the next one is around 71 according to the fib. Then you have 58. Okay, all right. Now this is the most. These are the very important level here. We're talking about the 60K, 64K, and the 70s and the 75. Probably gonna get a bounce. If it goes there again, probably gonna get some kind of a bounce from there. But again, remember, there is a chance. Also there is a chance it's gonna bounce from here. Okay. There is a chance it's gonna bounce from here. There is a chance, but again, you don't want to be buying the blood, okay? You don't want to be buying the knife catching it, okay? Don't listen to these morons because they will tell you, look, if you want to buy the blood on Bitcoin, wait for the end of the bear, okay? Let's talk. Wait like 10 months, 11 more months, then the end of the bear will come. Buy the blood when it's around 20K, 30K, 15K, whatever. But now, if you buy the blood, you buy the top of the blood, the blood of the top. Because this is just one wave down, okay? You expect another 2, maybe 3 major crashes down, massive, brutal, okay? brutal. This is nothing, okay? All right, now look. This is the first level I show you. This is the second level, okay? We have these levels, okay? Now let's talk some, moves down, okay? So what can happen, very likely, again, my 2 cents, very likely get some kind of a bounce from here, okay? But I don't think it's gonna be a big bounce. I think it's gonna be just another little bounce like this, or maybe like this, okay? Bounce like this, and then another leg down, okay? After the next bounce, I think you're gonna have another leg down to complete this wave, okay? Then you will have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? I'll show you. Okay, so I'll show you where's my Elliott wave nonsense? Guys, smash the like, do me a favor. The Elliott wave, okay? You remember, if it's doing a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the wave down, a move down, that means it's impulsive. That means the top is in, man. Okay, now 1, 2, 3. Speculation, only speculation. This is might be like this, might be deeper. I don't know the future. I'm just speculating, looking for clues on when we're gonna get the bounce and when we're gonna get the next leg down, because the next big leg down, this is one leg, okay? The next big leg down will shock people. Bitcoin will get rugged. Probably it's gonna bounce from here somewhere, whatever, to the 90s, to the 100s, whatever. I'm just speculating, to the 100, whatever, get a big bounce, and then the mother of all crashes. The mother of all crashes, okay, will come and Bitcoin will collapse, probably, to the 30s. Probably to the 30s, man. All right, that's what I'm watching, man. All speculation. Do yourself a favor, smash the like, subscribe, follow me on X. Look, I'll show you. We've been shorting this market so far. We're still heavily short, printing money. Show you just the Plume short, which was my best short still, okay? Short, look at this Plume short from October 28th, okay? When all your Moonboys were bullish, oh, we're going higher, blah, blah, blah. We've been shorting through all the month of October as well. Short a break below 683, that was the first short. Then we had another short at November 12th at 461, okay? Look at Plume, man. Look at Plume. Look at that, how you make money, make ROI in a bear market. In a bear market. You short altcoins. That was our first entry right here, man. 6.8. And that was our second entry, 4.5. This thing is going down. It's printing like madman. Okay, it's already up 66% from our first entry. You put 10K, bam, you make 6,600. You put 20K, you make 12K, Unbelievable, man. You just need to know what you're doing. Most people in this market, they don't know what they're doing. The second entry, we're up 50%, man. Again, shorting is not easy. You need to know what you're doing. You need to have a set of rules. You need to know what you're doing, okay? If you want to learn how to short exactly how we short, get yourself the Bear Market Bootcamp with the link below, okay? Get yourself the Bear Market Bootcamp, will change your life. It's happening this Wednesday. The upcoming Wednesday, the closest Wednesday, okay? Wednesday the 26th, I think. Check it out, man. Amazing stuff. We're going to teach you how to short, how to profit from a bear, how to think like a bear market trader, like a short seller. You need to change your thinking. This is not bull market. It's over, man. It's over. The tides are going to the other direction. The winds are changing. All these deep buyers, they think they are geniuses in a bull market. The bull market saved them. They are now going to have a financial collapse. They're going to lose everything. And you're never going to hear about them again, okay? You're going to see something unbelievable. This market is going to vomit all of them out. That's what happened in bear markets. And there is the risk of a major bear market now with the stock market as well, the way the stock market looking. You got to get yourself a proper education on bear market trading. That's the best way. Get yourself the bootcamp. If you want to join my VIP and get all my trade alerts, market updates, my courses, join CMVIP. Will change your life, man. We're probably one of the only services out there that actually printing now in this current market. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.